Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 8th August 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examinations. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel. Okay, this was our previous three questions. Our first question was Sasidhar Jagdishan is the new CEO of which bank? SBI, HDFC, ICICI, PNB. The correct answer here is option B, HDFC Bank. Sasidhar Jagdishan is appointed as the new CEO of HDFC Bank. He will replace Aditya Puri. And became the CEO of HDFC Bank. Okay, the headquarter of the HDFC Bank also situated in Mumbai. Okay, our second question was Mark Phillips appointed Prime Minister of which country? Zimbabwe, Ivory Coast, Guyana, Poland. The correct answer here is option C, Guyana. The Mark Phillips appointed as the Prime Minister of the Guyana. The capital of the Guyana is Georgetown and currency is Guyanese dollar. Guyanese dollar is the currency of the Guyana. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is National Handloom Day is celebrated on 6th August, 7th August, 8th August, 9th August. The correct answer here is option B, 7th August. On 7th August, National Handloom Day is observed. Okay, this day is celebrated to honor the handloom weavers in the country and also highlights the handloom industry. Okay, to appreciate the weavers, and National Handloom Day is observed. Next question. Who has been appointed as new Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Girish Chandra Murmu, Manoj Sinha, Rajiv Mahesi, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Girish Chandra Murmu. The former Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Girish Chandra Murmu has been appointed as the new CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General of India by Ramnath Kovind. Okay, he is the 14th CAG. He is the 14th CAG of India, and he will replace Rajiv Mahesi. Which Manoj Sinha. Recently, Manoj Sinha is appointed as the new Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, and Girish Chandra Murmu is 14th CAG of India. You can see the image of the Girish Chandra Murmu here, the 14th CAG of India, and also he belongs to Odisha state. Okay, next question. India's first Kisan Rail was begun from Maharashtra to which state? Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer here is option A, Bihar. India's first Kisan Rail will run between Devlali, Maharashtra's Nasik to Danapur in Bihar. Okay, then the train will cover 1519 km in 31 hour. Okay, Bihar is in news. The capital of Bihar is Patna. Chief Minister is Nitish Kumar, and Phagu Chauhan is the governor of Bihar. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. WTF Sports appointed whom as brand ambassador? Suresh Raina, Harmanpreet Kaur, option C both A and B, option D none of these. The correct answer here is option C, both A and B. Recently, a sports gaming platform WTF Sports has appointed cricketer Harmanpreet Kaur and Suresh Raina as its global brand ambassador. Okay, you can see the image of the veteran cricketer Suresh Raina and Harmanpreet Kaur here. Next question. Pulitzer Prize winner Shirley Ann Garu passed away. She was a famous writer, politician, scientist, musician. The correct answer here is option A, writer. The famous fiction writer and Pulitzer Prize winner novelist Shirley Ann Garu recently passed away. Also, you remember that the Pulitzer Prize is given in the field of writing. Okay, you can see the image of Shirley Ann Garu here. She was recently passed away. Next, question number 6. Who has been appointed as new chairman of UPSC? Arvind Saxena, Pradeep Kumar Joshi, Yatish Sharma, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Pradeep Kumar Joshi. Option B is correct here. The educationist and professor Pradeep Kumar Joshi has been appointed as chairman of UPSC. He will succeed at Arvind Saxena. He will succeed at Arvind Saxena and achieve the chairman position recently now. Okay, you can see the image of Pradeep Kumar Joshi here, the new chairman of UPSC. From exam perspective view, this question is very much important, so learn it. Next question: who has launched an overhead equipment inspection app for real-time monitoring? Ayush Ministry, Indian Railway, DRDO, AIMS. The correct answer here is Indian Railway. Option B is correct here. Recently, Indian Railway has launched an overhead equipment OHE inspection app which will help the minimizing the train delays and long waits due to the technical snags. Okay, you can remember that the Indian Railway launched the overhead equipment inspection app recently now. Okay, the who is the Union Railway Minister now? Piyush Goyal is the Union Railway Minister now, and Railway Board Chairman is VK Yadav. VK Yadav is the Railway Board Chairman. Next question: US Senate approves ban of which app on government devices? TikTok, Amazon, Facebook, YouTube. The correct answer here is option A, TikTok. The US Senate has unanimously passed a bill of banning the Chinese app TikTok on the government device recently now. Okay, also 59 app also banned in our India by government of India, and the TikTok is developed by ByteDance company. It is founded in 2012. TikTok is founded in 2012, and the founder is Zhang Yiming. Zhang Yiming is the founder of TikTok. Okay. Next question: who addressed the nation on 7 August regarding new education policy 2020? Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Narendra Modi, Piyush Goyal, Smriti Irani. The correct answer here is option B, Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation on 7 August regarding the new education policy 2020. As per you know, new education policy 2020 is launched after 34 years. Previously it is launched in 1986, and after 34 years it is launched in 2020. The various changes we can see in the new education policy 2020. Okay. Next question: Airtel Payment Bank partnered with whom for to offer smart plan shop package policy? Bharti AXA, Bajaj Finserv, Paytm, PhonePe. The correct answer here is Bharti AXA. Option A is correct here. Airtel Payment Bank has partnered with Bharti AXA General Insurance to offer smart plan shop package policy. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per you know, this is our question of the day, and we have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Who has launched a social security scheme for Tendu leaf collector? Our second question is Ajay Tyagi got how many months extension as chairman of SEBI? Please try to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Those who fast PG educational wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you.